Hello everybody and welcome to DarKei Offroad. Today's September 11th, 2024. We're going to be going over a purchase that I recently made for some sway bar mounts for the rear of the machine from FlexRock Performance. And I just wanted to do a second video on that because even though I believe that they've put together a really good product, there was still some fitment issues when it came to installing the product, and I reached out to FlexRock and customer support. I can't say anything more about them. They reached right out and got in touch with me, and I talked with the engineer and worked things out, and they sent me some brand new bushings. What the issue was is I don't have them out yet, was with the bushing and the design of it, and they've since corrected that. As you can see here, it's molded different, and it allows for it to fit on that sway bar with the stops that are on there. And again, customer support is huge when it comes to companies like that. And well, I feel strong enough that I put their sticker on a machine, and I support them 100%. You can't ask for better people when it comes to the people over there at FlexRock Performance. And a shout out to Gus. Thank you so much for everything. And we'll get going on with this video. I'm not going to record the whole installation and uninstall process. What I got to do here is we'll take a walk over here. I just recently did brakes, but the next part of the project is working on this sway bar mount. Those bushings back in there, and the fitment that I had with that, because like I showed you, it needed to be addressed, and they did just that in a very short period of time. So like I said, I'm not going to do a complete video because most of you already know how that all goes, but I will be putting stuff together to show you what actually transpired and how they came about resolving the issue for me. So with that being said, let's get moving on. Okay, so I finally got the sway bar out and the mounts out, and I just wanted to point this out. This right here is what I notched out with a Dremel, but I only did it on one, so that also caused a fitment issue. Things weren't lining up and weren't going together the way they should. This is what a pair of them looks like here. You can see here, well, maybe you can't see. Yeah, you can see right here where they've redone them and they've done both sides. So we shouldn't have a fitment issue with this. Once again, I want to thank the guys over there at FlexRock for standing behind their product and making sure that the customer's happy. And we're not done yet. We still got a little bit more to do, but we're making good progress. Oh yeah, and I guess I should probably point out this right here. Don't mind my workbench. It gets crazy around here with tools. This right here is how that's supposed to go on there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Should 360 should pick it up. Let me see if I can slide it apart. Slide that apart. some reason it's not sitting flush. That was one of the things that he questioned. This side is good over here. One of the things that we talked about, well, that's still off a little bit as well, but that's sitting straight, and that seems to be sitting straight on that one too, at least eyeballing it. I guess we'll find out. All back to what we talked about whether or not this sway bar was bent, and I've not hit anything. I haven't really been doing any rock crawling or anything like that, so there's no possible way that could have gotten bent. So maybe that's the way it's shipped from a factory. Okay, so we're moving right along here and doing pretty good, but I did find another issue with the well, no, it's an issue, but it's not an issue. It's with the sway bar connecting rod. I've got them installed. Everything went together real well. I have no complaints. We had a good fit when it came to the sway bar mounts. Thank you very much once again, Gus, for your work on this. There's only one problem that I see now, and that's with the sway bar connecting rod, and there's no place to put this. As you can see, there's no round bar to hook it to. This is on the passenger side of the vehicle, and we've got the same thing going on the driver's side. There's no place to mount this up. So I'll give you a look at this right here. I don't know if it's something that you want to look into a little bit closer. I don't know if these are the wrong connecting brackets or what's going on. I'm not sure, but I think this is the only one that I saw on the website was this one here. It came as a kit, so we'll slide on over to the other side, as I haven't got that one bolted down yet, and we'll walk over here. Oh, I suppose I ought to bring that with me. I got the other one, but it's gonna be a little bit darker over here. I'm not moving the light. Same way, if there's nothing to put that to where that's going to connect up, even with the connecting rod on there, there's just, that would be in line. There's just nothing there. It's not going to work there either. One thing I did see is this up here. There's a bracket, but I'm not sure what to do here. I can't use them, that's obvious, so I'll probably zip tie and hold them up. So let's get to putting the rest. Okay, so today is September 12th. I forgot to put a wrap on the on this video on the Flex Rock sway bar mount and connecting rods, and we got that project done, and we're very pleased with how the installation went. Everything went together and lined up, and there wasn't any issues with the install whatsoever. So again, big shout out to Flex Rock for all their help with this issue. Take care and ciao, baby.